Guys, talk to my sister, please. No. Talk to my sister, so she helped me.
So you think your song will be better than mine?
Yeah, I think so.
I'm not good.
So just realized that I wasn't recording. You probably missed a lot of stuff that we said before this. But I'm going to say it again because I need you to help me, guys. I need you to be on my side.
No one should ever take your side.
Why not?
Because I'm working. My reason is valid.
You don't have a valid reason. You can do this in your sleep.
How? Oh my god.
This is your work. This is what you do every day. It's not like...
You have too much faith in me.
You can do this with one hand, tied behind your back.
And then bend my fingers. That would be amazing.
Just come with me.
No.
We might end up finding like boyfriends and stuff.
I don't want a boyfriend.
You want a boyfriend? You do want a boyfriend?
I don't want that.
I want you to have a boyfriend.
Well, it's a problem then because it's something that you want that I don't want.
Or maybe you can find a girlfriend.
Wow.
What do you want? I'm trying to bribe you.
Not happening. I need to focus. I literally need to focus. And you're distracting me.
Guys, look at my top. It's going to be... It's actually... This is the top part of the dress that she's making for me. For a video that will be up when? When will this video be up?
Next week Sunday.
Next week Sunday.
And the vlog is gonna be when?
Wednesday. This coming Wednesday. No, it can't be this coming Wednesday. We have a vlog for this coming Wednesday. Anyway, let me...
Before my stuff flows away.
I was trying to make some more light so they can see you, see your face.
I understand that. See busy.
Ah, yes. Let me go. Let me go take a bath. Hello, guys. I'm going to take a bath and go to wherever I'm going. I'm not going to tell you about where I'm going. Maybe this.
Dude, come here.
I'm talking to your friends.
I know, come pull.
Pull what?
Come help. Like, I need like octopus hands. I need something to hold here so that I can begin. See, it moves.
How am I going to do this?
Oh, I have no idea, but this must happen.
Guys, as you see there, I'm not sure if you can see either one of us, but this is what we are doing. Is that enough?
Okay, fine, let go. Thank you. Your services. I appreciate it.
She's doing that. What do you call that?
Fusing.
Yeah. Fusing. Okay. Let's get back to what I was telling you. I'm going somewhere. I'm not going to tell you about it just yet. Maybe soon enough she'll tell you where I was going. So bye.
Hi guys, so this is Monday and I'm working on this top. It's a corset top. It has a bunch of seams in front and I added this bias binding. It's kind of like the cheap cotton one, but I didn't have anything else. But this is how the lining looks. This is how the lining looks, and those are the front seams, those contouring lines that just cinch you in. And when I say I have perfected the cup, what? Like, it's a cup. You can pour tea in there. Yep. And my course is coming on this pretty soon. Here is the pattern that I did for this top. And over here are my foam cups. So I explained in another video how I make this foam cups in case you don't have foam cups from the shop. You can make yourself some. Yeah, so this is the mess that I've created in my studio. It's so messy and I'm not about to clean up anytime soon. But yeah, and over here, let me just give you a little sneak peek of my sister's dress. I don't want to show you the whole thing because it's gonna be in our other video. But that's like a little sneaky peek. Oh, I got my pants from inside the house. I was like, okay, let me just come check how this pants would look with my top, and I think this is nice. I think it goes well with the cream. And the reason I used this cream bias binding is because I wanted the thing to pop on camera, and the cream pops really nice. Look at this. I think this is also a very nice option to go with this top here. Okay, I think I'm gonna go ahead and start stitching because my day is gonna be too long. I have other projects other than this one. So yeah, catch you up later. Bye. So it's like far later in the day and I am done finally. I'm so tired, but it came out great. Like, oh my god. I cannot wait to wear this. I'm only left with some buttonholes and buttons because I made this to overlap. Yeah, I'm done. Okay.
Table's friends, or you know her as Jane.M, just came back from work and this is what I see. That's my dress. Getting a zipper. How are you, ma'am?
I am thoroughly tired.
Well, it's work. It has to be tiring. This is outside. It's clearly becoming dark. Anyway, this is how I wanted you guys to see. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this outfit. Yeah, I know there are no shoes yet, but look at this top. Look at the detail on this. I hope you see clearly. Look at look at this, guys. Well, they're not attached yet, but this is how it looks. This is how. Wait, I want you to see the cuff. Look at that. Oh my god. This is so nice. This is super nice. And it started from here. Started from that. Well, further than this, but
Do they understand how far I came?
I don't know. You'll tell them. You tell them how far
That's
you've
why
come.
I have a course coming so that they can see.
Raise your voice, man. Nobody can hear you.
I'm so tired and I hate talking.
Whatever, man. Whatever, dude. And this is me. Still the same old me. Still pretty. Like to believe I'm pretty. And behind me is the most beautiful top. Wow. Anyway, guys. Bye. So this is the purple dress. Actually, this is lavender. It's the first fitting after I inserted the zip. And I love how it fits. It looks amazing. Like, oh my god.
You look amazing. Oh, o theole ntho. Mahitla we be tlaseng. Ooh. Ooh, new Steve's who that. I'm in love. Hello, chat to go so that we can extend it.
Yep, because I don't wear dresses this short.
Yeah, for you it's a problem, but for me, I would rock that any day. Let me just close up on the boobies. What? Oh my god. Okay. Guys, look at this.
My boots are not going anywhere. They're so steady.
Yep.
My pin left.
Oh, shimmer.
It escaped the prophet. But I love this.
Guys, look at this top. Look at this. Yeah.
I love it. Okay. Let me go show mom.
Wow. Been waiting for this. My girl, tiki nako, a chiga awena, a chiga, my girl, tiki nako. My brother's new car, guys, finally here. Holy water, blessed in Jesus' name. Oh my god, we've been waiting for you. Welcome home. You are loved. Ena heke yone re se re tla grocery ka yone na. Hana o itse ga grocery nimme. E se re palama e mabidi a se phara wena. Ena ha e punch ha o tsama ka mane ka bogo o ya ha spinner. Ha e gitlile fatshe. A o tla ka o e palama go jwetse. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna try get inside or something. I could take it to my inside driver's seat because a girl can drive. Oh yeah. Oh no. Okay. Go sesa inside, like I need to yeah, I'm just clowning. Oh my god. Hey! Nkuke mo ki sa isitse ka ha bolo yentsha. Ena no tlhoka go ke bo pedinya bona e telele.
Ke etse.
Oh, wetsa ji. Bona ntho tsa se gwa we.
Fela kwale.
Bona ntho tsa se nyisela. O go tsaya go ye o isa pele. Nthoka yo. Ena nthoka ke apere hantle. I go to tell like that.
Thewa mono.
Ke tla ke di.
Kae?
La re ka ga fela di fere ki go la go so ga go tlela hae. To fela yo. Ka mo. Ha ke ba ha e tsamaye. Go yena. Entle. Hele. Ach. How do you feel? Go how do you feel after spoiling yourself? Eh?
Once.
O sebetsa ka thata o iteboe ka nnete. I'll get my sister's reaction when she gets home. You have got all of our reactions.